Good day, sir and ma'am. I'm Robina Batino. I'm 42 years old from the Bintin, Mandela, Quirino. I'm single. I have one sister and one brother. My mother is deceased and my father is farmer. My educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, ironing, and taking care of children. I have experience in Jordan. My first employer, 5 members of the family to take care elderly. My second employer, I work as 12 years in Taiwan as factory worker. To my future employer, please hire me. I will promise to do my best in duties and my responsibility. I want to go back to abroad because I want to provide my future. Thank you.